On today's adventure, we are going to Montreal for a meet, right?
Yes.
He's full of enthusiasm.
Only happiness.
Louder than your mom.
Voici mes yeux.
On va voir.
Yeah.
Oh, tu vois rien!
C'est parce qu'il a l'habitude, c'est sa voiture.
Oh my god, it's monstrously beautiful.
It's really nice. I'm really excited. There is a ton of amazing cars, very clean build, really unexpected engines too. So you have a bit of everything. In that sense, it's very eclectic. It's not just about looks, it's also about performance.
Any
I like
favorites? Don't say your own car.
it. No, I have something about the Smiley Miata. I don't know. It's just such a happy car. You look at it, it's just smiling and it's just cool. I
Okay.
just love it.
Here we go.
How was your evening?
Good evening, good show, good people,
Good meet?
good meet in general, yes. One of the last of the season.
So what did you bring with you?
Copzilla R35 GTR.
And did you see other GTR 35s?
Yeah, mine was the slowest by far because the fastest one had 2000 brake horsepower at the crank, 1400 at the wheels.
Wow.
Yeah,
So it was a good evening.
It was a good evening. We saw some things I was not expecting, and some of the cars were ready for Halloween, which was fun to see too.
And so that ends our meet. Let's go back.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.